Unlocking efficiency, automating tasks with AI.
Automating routine tasks can save you hours each week. Artificial intelligence tools can handle repetitive jobs, letting you focus on higher value work. Whether you're coding, managing data, or streamlining workflows, learning how to automate with AI is a powerful step in your tech career. Let's explore practical ways to get started. No advanced expertise required.
Identify repetitive tasks in your workflow.
Start by mapping out your daily tasks. Which activities take up the most time? Repetitive actions like sorting emails, entering data, or scheduling can be strong candidates for automation. Make a list, focusing on tasks that follow predictable patterns or have clear rules. This will help you choose the right AI tools for automation.
Choose the right AI tools and platforms.
Search for user-friendly AI tools. Platforms like Zapier, Microsoft Power Automate, and Google Workspace integrate AI to automate email filtering, file organization, and data processing. Select tools that fit your technical comfort level and workflow.
Set up and test your AI automation.
Configure your chosen tool to automate a simple routine. Set up conditions, such as if an email arrives with a certain keyword, then archive it. Test your automation on a small sample to ensure accuracy. Most platforms provide visual guides, templates, or pre-built workflows to help you get started, even if you're new to automation.
Refine and expand your automations.
Review how your automations are performing. Check for errors, missed cases, or opportunities to fine-tune your workflows. Add more tasks to your automation toolkit as you gain confidence. By consistently refining, you'll save more time and uncover new ways to use AI for daily productivity.
Moving forward, building automation skills.
Continue learning and exploring AI capabilities. Join online communities, take short courses, or read tutorials relevant to your tech field. As AI evolves, new tools and possibilities emerge. Building automation skills can boost your efficiency and make you a more valuable member of any tech team.